to meet a group of doctors under these circumstances. I don't have to remove any clothes. I don't, have to pay a copay. It's very reassuring. And if you find that I say anything inappropriate, by all means stand up, tell me I'm lying. But I think that what we're seeing is particularly interesting from the town hall perspective, because one, we have as many people participating in these town halls that are this worked up about it, and they're discussing the things that they're discussing. They're saying, I'm not just concerned, I'm upset about it. And no group handed them talking points to make these points. They genuinely believe these things. And people will say that they've been swayed by right-wing media or whatever, but they're going out on their own wherewithal to make these points. And I think that's particularly interesting, such that the president felt it necessary to gather together a joint session of Congress and give a speech in which he basically made a pitch for a health plan that remains fairly obscure and unclear in what it's going to accomplish. So we have an unprecedented discussion. I mean, trying to get Republicans to talk about health care has been rather difficult, I'd say, for the last 10 years. Ever since Clinton tried it, Republicans have been completely reluctant to do so, offer any solutions, or even to provide any opposition to any new sort of government takeovers. At the moment where you have your average Joe talking about medical malpractice liability, I think that shows that the tenor of the discussion has changed, and that people are suddenly interested in something in a passionate way, because I really cannot imagine getting my friends worked up about medical liability reform. That being as it is, I think that that's really the consequence of a lack of leadership, actually among Republicans, in changing this issue. And I think that what we're now seeing is growth in this area, where Republicans are beginning to build up that muscle memory to be able to take on this fight. And so I'm interested in seeing how it turns